Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we are going to talk about certain machine tools which are modern. Why we say modern? Because they use certain programming or other languages which can be governed to make a certain shape of an object. So how they are done, we are going to see in this video. So unlike using any other conventional machine tools or any other conventional machining operation, modern machine tools are very accurate and you can again and again solve the same things, make the same shape by using a different part programming or a same part programming. When the word part programming comes, CNC machine come. So they control the numeric data as well as the output, but in the form of part programming. So this is the beauty of modern machine tools. So when I talk about modern machine tools, you need certain skilled operator to operate that tool. So modern machine tools have certain disadvantages as well as advantages. So if the operator is good, he is skilled enough that he has certain skills to operate the machine, so well and good. But if your operator is lazy or it do not need to work or anything, any other cases can happen, so in that way your machine won't work properly. So there are certain advantages as well as disadvantages of modern machine tools. There are certain modern machine tools which are NC, CNC and DNC machines tools. So NC is the basic machines, DNC and CNC are certain higher level machines. There you need programming and other centralized computer arrangement. So all these are a part of modern machining. So for the operation, you need a certain reference which is to be set. Like you want to make a 10 mm circle. So 10 mm is your reference. So 10 mm circle can be made on n number of machines, like n number of workpiece by using a single machine. So in this way, the operator just have to set the reference and the workpieces can be made easily by just feeding the dimension of that reference in that machine. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and do subscribe our channel Ekeeda.